Welcome to Rainbow Glamart, where every day is a new adventure waiting to unfold. Today, we are diving into an exciting topic on animals, which is a portion of the NSO Olympiad exams. Let's embark on this fascinating journey together. Hello, nature lovers. Today, let's embark on a wonderful journey to discover how animals are essential for our environment, just like plants. Are you ready to explore? Let's dive in. Like plants, animals are also precious gifts of nature. Each living being has a role to play in maintaining the balance of nature. Nature is just incomplete without animals. Now get ready to discover the fascinating feeding habits of our animal friends. Let's talk about what animals eat. There are four main types: herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, and scavengers. Let's see who's who. First off, let's talk about our plant-loving friends, the herbivores. Herbivores are the plant eaters. These animals play a big role in keeping the balance of plants in check. They have special teeth, like the flat teeth of a cow, perfect for chewing up plants. Imagine if there were too many plants growing everywhere. Herbivores like deer and rabbits help by munching on plants, which helps new plants grow and keeps the ecosystem healthy. Next up, we have the carnivores. These are the meat lovers. They hunt other animals for their meals. These animals help control the population of herbivores. Without them, the plant-eating animals might eat up all the plants and upset the balance of nature. Now, let's meet the omnivores. These creatures, such as bears and humans, eat both plants and animals. From juicy fruits to insects and small animals, they enjoy a bit of everything. They help balance the ecosystem by keeping the populations of both plant eaters and meat eaters in check. Last but not least, we have the scavengers. These are nature's recyclers, like the helpful vultures and beetles. They clean up the remains of dead plants and animals, turning them into nutrients for new life to grow. So, animal adventurers, we've seen how animals are true food experts. Whether they're munching on plants, chasing down prey, or scavenging for snacks, each animal has its own special way of finding a meal. Now, let's talk about the exciting game of predator and prey. Prey and predator refers to the relationship between animals where one hunts and eats another for food. Predators are the animals that hunt and eat other animals. They are usually carnivores, which means they primarily eat meat. Examples of predators include lions, wolves, sharks, and hawks. Predators have adaptations such as sharp claws, strong jaws, and keen senses to help them catch their prey. Whereas prey are those animals that are hunted and eaten by other animals for food. For example, rabbits, deer, and small insects are common types of prey. The relationship between prey and predator is a crucial part of the natural balance in ecosystems. Predators keep the population of prey animals in check by hunting them, which prevents overpopulation. At the same time, prey animals evolve ways to avoid being caught, such as running fast, hiding, or developing warning signals. This interaction helps maintain the health and diversity of the ecosystem. Remember, every animal, big or small, has a special job in our environment. So let's protect and appreciate them, just like we do with our precious plants. Until next time, happy exploring. Come, we will have a fun self-test to see how much we've learned about animals in their fascinating world.